Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to try to make some cloud slime using this white glue that I got from the dollar store. The dollar store I got this from is the Dollar Tree. That's the name of it, the Dollar Tree. So I guess it's called Jot. And I've never used it before. I've never even used it for regular base glue, slime, or anything. So I'm gonna see if I can put together an amazing cloud slime for you guys. So the first thing that I'm doing is adding the glue to my bowl. I noticed it was pretty thin compared to other white glue bases that I've used before. So let's see what happens when I start activating. Right away I noticed after the first drop of activator hit the glue, it kind of started to get a stringy feel to it immediately. Almost as if I was activating a glue-all glue slime or glue-all slime. If any of you guys have done that, you know, it kind of gets like a hard stringy feel to it and then you let it sit for a while and it kind of softens up. But this, I don't know, it was like the weirdest thing because it's kind of a thin glue, but it also had that same effect. So I don't know why it was doing that, but it did. I'm just going to let you continue to watch me activating the slime. It's just going to take a little bit, but a lot of you request to see unedited footage, so I'm just going to keep that in there for this video. I always like to clean my bowl like this. Once the slime is almost fully activated, it just makes the whole cleanup process a whole lot easier. So the slime overall at this point is actually a little tough, as you can see here. I don't think I overactivated it, but it's, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like a normal slime after I'm done activating it. Again, it's kind of a thin glue, but it feels like glue-all. So I don't know. Let's see where we go with this. So I'm going to do it a little differently. Those of you that have seen my more recent cloud slime videos notice that I add the snow in dry. But for this video, I'm going to add some water to it and some food dye. I used the teal Maddie Ray food dye color for this, and we're just going to start dipping the slime in. You can also create an amazing cloud slime this way. This is how I started off making all my cloud slimes. My preferred method is my more recent videos, probably like my last 2 cloud slime videos, but this works well too. So I'm just adding it and squeezing and kneading and mixing in my activated snow. Now I didn't fully activate the snow. If you noticed, I just added a little bit of water, and so it's just slightly activated. I didn't want it to be too wet. So now my slime is softening up. It doesn't have that glue-all thicky kind of toughness to it anymore, but I don't know. It's just kind of like a wet cloud creamy texture. So I'm just adding a little more snow to see where that takes us. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I've never used this glue before, so I have no clue how good of a slime you can even make with it. So I think I'm gonna have to try it out and just do like a basic slime with this glue and see how it works out. And maybe I can add some extra ingredients like a lotion or my usual foam soap. So this is really sticky. I tried activating it a little more. It's kind of just falling apart. And actually this glue I don't think is that much cheaper than if you bought glue at like another store that wasn't a dollar store, because I got those 2 bottles for $1. So I'm pretty sure you can get a decent glue at a normal store for about $1 too. I just at this point stopped adding the snow because it was just falling apart more and more. This is fun to play with, but it isn't a slime that I would really recommend trying to make. It's just not working out for me here, you guys. This is probably my first slime fail. My first cloud slime fail in a long time. Let me know if you've made cloud slime with this glue before, and if there are any tips and tricks that I need to know so that I can try to make it again for you, but successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you or informed you or did something for you. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!